year, I had many discussions with traders, both beginners and professionals, regarding the advantages, strengths, and merits of technical analysis. Rather than engaging in long discussions and sometimes arguments, I prefer to present a price chart and let it do the talking. After all, a picture is worth 1,000 words. What do you think is the direction of the S&P 500 on the daily time frame? Did you say upwards? Then I agree with you. Not that hard after all, right? Of course, the rationale for identifying this uptrend is behind the sequence of higher tops and higher bottoms. Technical analysis at the speed of light, as I usually call it. Now, let's look at the Euro-USD on the daily time frame. I am sure you will agree with me that this is a downtrend, right? But for the non-believers, let me present the following chart identifying a series of lower tops and lower bottoms. A textbook downtrend at its best. Stay tuned.
Hi guys, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell to keep up with new videos.